Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you that how can you create your animation in Canva. So if you want to create the animation, then you have to select this tab videos. Whenever I create animation for my shorts, then I always use this animation because shorts requires a dimension of 9:16. So I am going to click on this option as I'm using the free version, but I always search that animation that is providing by the Canva for free. Okay, so how can you search the animated objects or animated elements that are free? So you have to click on this option element and just write down animated bird, animated animals. Like this you have to write down. Okay, as I want to search about the animated animals, then I always write animated animal here. When you click on this option, it will provide you some option that are free or the pro also. Okay, so when you write animated animals, you will be having some options. Just click on this option, see all, and when you click on the see all, just scroll your screen to search the animated objects. As I got this option, this bird is animated. Okay, when you click on this animated bird, it will recommend you some magic recommendation that is provided by Canva. Just click on this see all, and when you click on this see all, it will provide you some more options that are animated, and you can search like this. I found one more object that is rabbit, and that is also animated. So when I will insert this object on my another frame, then it will recommend me some more animations like this. Then I will again click on the see all option. By this way you can search for the objects that are animated but that are free also. Okay, as I will show you my recent search. So these are my recent used animations that I have already used in my projects. I have searched for them. Okay, just I have written for this butterfly, I wrote animated butterfly, and for this book, I wrote flipped book. When I used to search for one element, it always recommend me some other elements also that I easily use in my shorts or in my videos. By this way, you can also search for the free options that are provided by Canva. If you want to insert number of objects on the different frames, just click on this plus button, and by clicking on this plus button you will be having one more frame, and just insert another object on the new frame. Okay, so by this way you can create your own animation also. If you want to decrease the size of your frame, you can drag your particular frame like this to increase or decrease the timing. You can set the timing of the frame as much you want. I think this particular video helps you to search in Canva, and if you are using the free version, it will surely help you. And if you are still finding some problem, you can write down in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.